Dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the scan function on the HA2. The HA2 lets you create up to 16 scan lists, and each scan list can contain up 100 channels. You can scan in VFO mode or using a channel scan list. Now let's walk through how to set up. First, we need to create a scan list on the HA2. Go to Menu. Scan. Channel scan list. Add a scan list. Enter a name for your scan list, and then confirm. This will be the list of channels the radio will scan through. Next, we will add channels into this scan list. Select Channel List, then choose channels you want from your existing channel memory here and press Menu to add them to the scan list. You can also set Priority Channel 1, Priority Channel 2. That means when the radio scans, it will check these priority channels first on every scan cycle so you don't miss important traffic on those frequencies. And last, don't forget to save the scan list. Now let's talk about the VFO scan. For VFO scan, you can choose the scan start condition. There are two options here. The first is the current frequency. That means the scan starts from the current VFO frequency or the preset frequency. The scan will start from a preset frequency. You can set start frequency and stop frequency. It is very useful if you always want to start scanning from a fixed point in the band. How to start and stop scanning. In standby mode, long press the scan key to start scanning. Long press the scan again to stop the scan. If the radio in the memory mode, it will follow the channel scan list settings. If the radio in the VFO mode, it will scan according to your VFO scan settings. You can quickly switch between band scanning in VFO and scanning your custom channel list depending on how you use the radio. And that's how to set up and use a scan list and scan function on the Ailunce HA2. Did you get it? Go ahead and try it.